If you're feeling tired, heavy, or just done for the day, this practice it's for you. We are going to be moving slowly, no effort, no pushing, just gentle movements to bring you back to your body. To begin, let's lie on our backs. Bringing one hand on your chest and the other hand on your belly, take slow, big breaths here. Allow the ground to support you. Allow your thoughts to quieten down. Don't forget to breathe. Just come back to your breath, your body. Coming back to center, releasing your hands from your chest and your belly. Lift yourself up to come to a seated position. Nod your head up and down, like you are saying yes to rest. Up, down, inhaling and exhaling, making sure that you're still sitting tall. And now roll in full direction clockwise. Move your neck gently to feel good here. Breathe. Soften your neck. And reverse direction. Roll the other way. Our upper bodies tend to hold a lot of tension, our necks included. Release, coming back to center. Extending your legs in front of you to come back down on your back. Your left leg goes on top of your right leg to twist into a spine twist. Release here fully. Melt into this pose. This does stretch your back so nicely. So allow yourself to release fully into this pose. Inhaling and exhaling. Releasing from this pose, come back to center and allow your right knee to fall over your left leg. You can place your hand on your knee to support it. And again, fully release into this pose. Take slow, deep, unhurried breaths here. Breathing in and breathing out through your nose or mouth. Come back to center. And we're gonna switch to inclined figure 4 pose. Inclining your left leg and placing your right ankle on top of it, supporting your inclined leg with your hand that's clasped and lifting it up, or you could leave it as bent and hold here. You could use your hand to squeeze the outs of your leg that's placed on top of your other leg. I hope you can understand me, and gently push out the leg using your hand and just hold here and breathe. So switching sides, the other ankle goes on top of the other knee and you lift the whole leg up. Or option is to still bend it and hold it as bent. Breathe. As I said, you could use your arm to push out your leg that's been placed on the top of the knee for a good stretch. You can also bend the knee, bring the leg up, but let's release for now. Bringing both legs in and hugging them by the knee on your chest. Hold here. You could also rock from side to side, whatever feels good for you, and just rest in this position. Allow your lower back to stretch. It really does feel good. And our aim today was feeling good, yeah? Little effort, just slow, gentle movements. Hold here, take slow breaths. Bring your knees closer to your chest and hug them. Oh, it's so beautiful today, guys. Gonna hold here a bit. Bringing your feet down. Bring yourself up to come to your fours for slow, controlled cat and cow. Inhale and exhale as you wind up. Inhale, opening your chest and looking up. Exhale as you wind up your spine. Allow your breath here to be the one that's guiding you. Move as you breathe. Go slow here. Coming back to center, neutral spine. Push your hips back to your feet and extend your arms forward to come to a child pose. Align properly and fully melt into this pose. We are taking child's pose as our final resting pose. So make use of this last pose. Breathe in, breathe out slowly, no rush. Allow yourself to feel good. Enough for a counter stretch. We're still gonna be in child's pose. Bring your knees together, chin on the mat, and your hands behind you, and breathe here. Oh, I love this pose. It's a variation of the child's pose, but it counter stretches you from the child's pose with your hands in front of you. Or if you had done any upper body workout, this is usually a good way to feel better afterwards. So we're gonna rest here as this is our final pose. Stay as much as you want, but when you're ready, meet me in a seated position. Come back to breath. So guys, thank you for showing up. Thank you for showing up for yourself. Thank yourself. If you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and whenever you feel heavy or tired, always come back and practice with me here. I hope to see you on the next one, and for now, bye.